irresistible shareable platter of roasted potatoes, some steak bites, and creamy mushroom. It's so simple, quick, and easy to make. Start by dicing up your potatoes in quarters, and you're going to parboil that with salt, and then we're going to dice our mushroom. And for the steaks, we're just seasoning that with some salt and black pepper. That's it. Garlic powder, paprika to the potatoes, a bit of oil, and we're going to air fry that until it's done. In a pan, cook the steak bites for about 2 minutes on each side, and then once it's done, we're just going to set that aside. We're going to add in some butter, garlic, and then cook up the steak, and then we're just going to just mix it up to get that flavor. To the same pan, adding in the mushroom, we're going to cook that until they are softened, and then adding in the cooking cream and salt, black pepper, and that's it. The simple ingredients, a delicious meal. Look at how juicy and delicious that chicken is. So today we're making some sweet chili chicken thighs. Just marinating that with some oil, light soy sauce, salt, paprika, and some garlic powder. Mix that, make sure it's well coated, and you're going to let that sit for about 30 minutes. For the sauce, combining in crushed garlic, ginger, sweet chili oil, and sweet chili sauce and light soy sauce. You're going to cook the medium heated pan until it's brown. Turn it over before pouring over the sweet chili sauce, and let it just cook for further 5 minutes or until it's well coated. We're going to slice those chicken and finish off with some green onions. Serve that with jasmine rice with the left